Hi Tasuku, this is Tony. Instead of only describing how I would approach building AI agent project, I decided to build a working prototype to show you how I execute in practice. I built this before I agreed to be interviewed by accidentally, not after. But it's the very simple version, and I have to modify and implement some service recently. And I built about my previous project. I spent roughly 2 weeks on it. The first week, I pick up Python and its ecosystem from scratch, since my background has been primarily in other languages. The second week, I research RAG architecture, LLM integration patterns, and hallucination control. Then build this end-to-end prototype. What you're about to see is not a mock-up or slide deck. It's a running AI agent with intent classification, RAG retrieval, hallucination control, and human escalation. Although there are some kind of the limit in the how it product and how it run in the real environment, but it's enough for the demo purpose. So you can see here, let me run this command, docker container ps. You can see that a bunch of service here from the application, and then the OLLAMA, that is the local LLM module, and then the Qdrun is a vector database and the Postgres database. But it's not a main part in this demo, so we don't have to mine on it. So let's focus on the thing I prepared here. I built a simple dashboard to show you how the application run and operate. And you can see here there's a section called dashboard to list the statistical data of the user uses on our platform. For example, the total conversation, active tickets, a unique user, etc. And here is only figures for the conversations. And the next section, that is the chat testing. That is the main part. I'm going to show you how the AI agent respond to the user questions. And here is the ticket. But this feature is on the mockup. So the listing is the data already inside the database. So let's focus on the main part, is the chat testing. Now let's get started by the very simple message like say hi. And you can see the AI agent respond by this message: hello, welcome to our real estate service, and blah blah blah. So it's marked as a greeting. So what happens if I say goodbye? Alright, so it's marked as farewell. So for example, in here I prepared some kind of the test case. For example, to ask about how much does a 2-bedroom apartment in District 2 cost per month. And you can see here the AI agent found the information from our database, or we can see here in it's more clear in the listing section here. Right, so you can see here it's marked as a search listing. and move to the next step. So what happened if the AI got the hallucination? For example, I can ask some kind of questions such as is that the price in District 2 increase in the future? For example, the rent price goes up in the future at District 2. So I decided a hallucination guard for this kind of the question you can see here. If the confidence score is very low, so we have to take the action by escalate to the real admin by you can see some kind of this question. For example, I'll check the current availability with our team and get back to you shortly. So this message is marked as escalated. And now let's move to some kind of questions such as asking some policy. So that is the nature how the RAG system work. For example, I can ask can I bring pets into the apartment? Now, so after detected this as a RAG, so you can see because the RAG service is not optimized well. So currently you can see the response is a bunch of text here, but inside you can see there's a information. For example, can I bring a dog or cat? Some we can see the response. The sample questions some sample answers. That is the maybe some kind of the department can charge the extra fee, 5 million Vietnam dong. But in other case, this it is not allowed. For example, there's some kind of the high luxury department can prohibit bring the pet to the department. So alright, so let's say goodbye. So you can see here because it still shows the two properties. So honestly, this is the RAG flow is not good, and I have to modify some service in the future. But it can give you a simple idea how we design and implement the RAG into our AI agent. That is to pursuing the missions of supporting the estate staff and help the consulting process more automatically. So that's all about my demo. And to summarize what you just saw, that is a demo of fully working AI agent with intent classification and entity extraction. And there's a RAG retrieval and automatic human escalation service inside. And this is how I approach execution. Build a constrained but complete version first. Validate it works end-to-end, then iterate based on real feedback. For example, if I got the error here, I have to design a logging and monitoring mechanism to improve our service in the future. And that is a good way we implement and design a system from from scratch. Start very simple and gradually open our service in the future. So that's all about MyTimo. I'm looking forward to discussing next steps. Thanks for your time.